Hello to each and everyone watching this video. My name is Jason and in this video I would be talking about Concordium. Concordium, if you do not already know, is a blockchain platform which is designed for secure and privacy focused digital transactions. In this video, apart from having a look at the Concordium in details, I would also be demonstrating the process on how you can make use of the Concordium developer tools in order to install the SDKs, which includes Rust, .NET as well as Node. So altogether, this would be a really interesting video to watch. So without any further delay, let us now proceed to the video. Let me first teach you guys the process on how you can install Rust into your device. The very first thing that you need to do is go to the link in the description below for Concordium installation guide, and once the website has been loaded, you will see an detailed article on the process on how you can set up the development environment. Before we can proceed any further, the very first thing we need to do is install Rust up, which will help us in installation of both Rust as well as Cargo to our computer. To proceed further, click on this link, which will redirect you to the official website of RustUp, which is rustup.rs. Then you need to simply click on this link and the downloading of compiler has been started. Once after the download has been completed, click on it and it will open a terminal. Then go back to the installation guide, copy the very first command. After you paste that command, you need to choose 1, 2 or 3. I'll be simply inserting the number 1 as per the tutorial which is shown over here. Once after you click the number 1, you should see a screen similar to this. And guys, if you just have a look at my terminal, you can see the exact same screen.
A few moments later.
Finally friends, the moment of truth, Rust has been successfully installed into my computer. The very next thing that we are gonna do is install WASM, also called as the WebAssembly. All we need to do is copy the second command from the installation guide and then paste it into the terminal. The downloading as well as the installation of WASM has been successfully completed. In the very next step, we are gonna install the Concordium software package. In order to proceed, all we need to do is copy the command number 3 from the installation guide and then paste it into the terminal. So the download has been started, and after waiting for approximately 10 minutes, my installation of the Concordium software package has now successfully completed. Now, as per the installation guide, to check whether or not the installation of Concordium software package is successful, what we need to do is copy the command number 4, which says cargo concordium --help. And if we see a screen as per the image shown below, that means our installation is successful. So let me go back to the terminal and then paste the command, and yes, we got the exact same screen as shown in the installation guide, which simply means that our Concordium software package has been successfully installed. Let me now proceed to the second part of the video, wherein I will be teaching you the process on how you can install NodeJS. So all you need to do is go to the link in the description below for NodeJS, which is nodejs.org. Once the website has been loaded, below you can see two different versions. So the one which is recommended by the Windows itself is the version of 18.17. So I'll be simply click on that option. Once after the download has been completed, the installation has also been started. Firstly, let me click on the next, then choose I accept terms and condition, next, 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 again next, and lastly install. Once done, let me click on the finish. In order to check whether or not the installation of Node.js is successful, I'll be simply pasting a command which is npm space -v. We can see the version which is 9.6.7, which means that our installation of Node.js is now successfully completed. Let me now proceed to the final part of my video, wherein I'll be teaching the process on how you can install .NET into your computer. In order to install .NET, all you need to do is go to the link in the description below for .NET, which is .net.microsoft.com. Once the website has been loaded, you can see .NET is a free, cross-platform as well as an open source software. Two different versions which you can see over here is .NET 7.0 as well as .NET 6.0. The one which is recommended by the Windows is the 7.0 version, and this version was released on 8th of August this year. To proceed further, let me click on this download button, and yes, our downloading of the .NET software has now started. Once downloaded, let me click on it, then click on the install button. Our installation of the .NET software has now started. And guys, after waiting for a few seconds, you can see our installation has been successfully completed. To check whether or not the .NET installation was a success, all we need to do is go back to the terminal and then simply type .NET. If you see a screen similar to the one in the terminal, then yes, your installation of .NET has been successfully completed. So guys, I hope that you have watched the whole video and gotten deep insight on the process on how you can install the Rust, Node as well as .NET. Still, if you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have talked in this particular video, make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.